So today, I am making stuffed mushrooms. I have 5 portabello mushroom here. First, I want to brush it with oil, a mixture of olive oil and sesame oil. I want to brush this so it doesn't stick. Even I use the wax paper. And also I give a little flavor. And just give a little smell. This is a fresh portabello mushroom, but it's still a little fragile. If you're not careful, it's easy to break apart. Like this one, a little piece broke off during washing. I rub a little harsh. But I'm not going to waste this part. I will put that back. Should be the first step after I wash the mushroom. So I am going to salty my spinach for the stuffing of the mushroom. Just turn this to medium for now. And I'm using a macadamia nut oil here. Maybe a couple of spoons full. I don't want the leaves will be dry. What are you doing, boy? Boy? What are you doing, boy? I like to wait for the skillet to warm up. This is 1 small red onion. Into it, I will add 2 minced cloves garlic, which I add towards the end. I just cook this for about a minute or 2 until I can smell the onions fragrance. And I have here 12 ounces of spinach, young baby spinach. Which I will use this to stuff the onion. I don't need to cut this small pieces once it's done. Just gonna cook this enough to get wilted the leaves. Because it will cook some more once I am baking the mushrooms. Add a little salt. I prefer to add salt while I'm eating instead of maybe putting too much salt. This is black pepper. Little bit more salt. So now the spinach are wilted. Turn off the heat. And I want to add my garlic. I want to cool it down to it's manageable to grab it with my hands to put in mushrooms. Into the spinach, I will add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can add any cheese you like. It's too hot. I need a little salt. Also, I wanna sprinkle a little salt on the mushroom. Also, black pepper. Not too much because the mushroom will produce water. The salt can extract the water from the mushroom. You can mix any cheese you want to add to your stuffing, and then you can top with the mozzarella cheese. I decided to add color to it, so I add like a mixture of green, minced bell pepper and red bell pepper to it, so just to give a little color. And also I added half cup of shredded aged asiago cheese here. and 5 spring onion. I preheat the oven to 350. I will cook this for 25 minutes. Then I take it out and add the mozzarella, shredded mozzarella on top of the mushrooms stuffing. Then cook for another 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. So this is very easy recipe. You're not pick that up, boy. You're not gonna eat. Okay, you're not gonna eat the onions, okay? Just mix this a little bit. If you like to add protein to it, you can add eggs. Like 2 eggs to mix on the vegetable stuffing. Okay, see here what I did. I salvaged the broken pieces. I secure it with toothpick. This one I don't need to secure. I just lay it that way. I wanna go with the same amount first. Make sure I have it, cover it in the same amount, and then I will go around and add some more. This one is small, so I think I can go another round safely. Don't be shy to use your fingers. I'm glad to have found this big mushrooms, so I can add a lot of stuffing. This big guy here need more stuffing. This one is kinda flat bottom, so the stuffing will not be secure as the rest of them. Need a lot of helping hand. See, one piece is slide. pulling down. So that's done, and I will put inside the oven. Cook it for 20 minutes. Take it out and add the mozzarella and cook for another 20 minutes. Oh no, sorry, not 20 minutes. 5 minutes, or until the mozzarella cheese is melting. So 20 minutes pass. I took the mushroom from the oven and I will add the mozzarella. It's depend on what kind of oven you're using. Mine is gas and it's very hot. So I know I turn it off and put this mushroom back in the oven. It's still going to melt the cheese because the oven is very hot. So if you're using electric oven, maybe you can keep your oven on just to melt the cheese. I will put this back. For 5 minutes. Well, 5 minutes after, the cheese on the mushroom is melted. Here it is, my stuffed mushroom with spinach, bell pepper, green onion, and bell pepper, red and green bell pepper with onions. Hold on, let me get this first. Although I put the wax paper, it's still sticking to it. Here it is, my Portabello mushroom stuffed with spinach. Try it yourself and hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.